scenes doon na parang, oo nga, no, ginagawa nga nila to. Like, basta may isang scene doon, kunwari na nangyari na yung damage, tapos lilinis na, gagawin mo na yung damage ulit para lang makunan. May ganon. So like, but I totally understand your work. And I appreciate it more. That's why I appreciate media now. And press. Kasi hindi biro yung trabaho nyo. Sobrang, you go on location without knowing what will surprise you. And but still you stick to your work. And I think that's one of the greatest things to admire with your life.
Nagkaroon ba ulit kayo ng usapan ni JC about na parang na-resurrect yung film natin and all?
More of kay Direk, Sherrod. Kasi hindi naman masyadong nakikita ni JC. Pero he tagged me naman on his post. So I'm sure he's really happy na mapapakita yung film. Kasi pinaghirapan din namin yung movie na to. Tapos parang sayang naman if people won't see it. So more of si Direk Sherrod na parang, hey girl, ganun kasi siya kayo mag-usap sa akin. Hey girl, yung film natin na weirdo, makapalabas na. Sabi ko, saya naman. Sabi niya, sana mas marami pang tao makanood nun. Kasi yung energy daw na binigay ko sa film na iba, kesa dun sa mga nabibigay ko sa mga previous works.
Jessie, where do you